Okay, last one here. We have an example 7 that says draw a Venn diagram depicting the Adamsville Beta Club, the officers of the Beta Club, and a member, Sana, who is not an officer of the Beta Club. So again, after what we did in class with Venn diagrams and what we talked about in the introduction video, I want you to go ahead and try this one by yourself and see if you can figure it out. Go ahead and pause the video now. Alright, so hopefully you did that and you came up with something. Now let me show you what I would do to see if you did this something similar, or there's really only one way to do this, but you could have put it in a slightly different fashion. And I'm going to use some different colors to make some distinction. So we have a Venn diagram depicting the Adamsville Beta Club, the officers of the Beta Club, and a member, Sana, who is not an officer of the Beta Club. Okay, so our larger amount here is the Adamsville Beta Club. That has a bunch of members. So that's going to be my big circle. And I'm going to label that my Adamsville Beta Club. All right, now of those members of the Beta Club, we would have officers. So all of the officers would be inside that greater circle. So these would be the officers. Now you could have drawn it a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, whatever you wanted to, as long as it was completely inside the circle for Adamsville Beta Club. Then we have this member, Sana, who is not an officer of the Beta Club. So she belongs in this bigger circle, but not in the blue circle because she's not a member. So Sana would be right over here by herself. And again, you could have put her anywhere as long as it was within the black circle, but not in the blue circle.